It's really giving natural. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I'm Jaelyn Dae. Welcome to my channel. So as you can see in the title, I'm going to be putting on this V-part wig and doing my makeup and showing you guys my lip combo. So yes, this is my first time doing a V-part wig. This wig is sponsored by BeautyForeverHair, so shout out to them for sending me this bomb wig. It's really giving natural. All the details to this wig will be in the description, so make sure you check that out. This is really like a go-to wig, like when you gotta go somewhere and you just need a quick little 1-2, this is the one. And this is perfect for natural hair. So let me just stop talking, make sure you thumbs up this video, and let's get straight into it. So I started off by dyeing this wig jet black using the watercolor method. I used 2 bottles of the Adore dye, and I let it sit for about 25 to 30 minutes. I use a plastic spoon to make sure it's all mixed in, and then I go ahead and dip the wig inside. Usually I don't dip the entire wig inside, but in this case we're working with a V-part wig, not a frontal. So I don't have to worry about staining any lace because there isn't any lace. And I love this because the dye can get on every piece of the wig. And I like to brush out the wig as I'm dipping it in because it does get a little tangly. Y'all see me washing the sink because I do not have time for this dye to be staining my sink. But yeah, I just brushed the wig so it won't be so tangly when I take it out. And then I'm just gonna put the entire wig inside and let it sit for, like I said, 25 to 30 minutes. And then when it's time to rinse the dye out, I try to rinse it a couple of times where I don't see so much black water. And then after, I put some conditioner on the wig and run that through and rinse that off, and that's about it. I do sit the wig on the side and let it air dry, but that's it. After that, it is time to install it. Hey y'all, so I'm still trying to get the lighting and stuff together in here. I have some stuff in the room set up, but I'm not gonna show y'all yet. So just give me some time and we're gonna get it together, okay? Let me take this off. My hair is actually already braided. Let me just put this up so we can clip the wig in first. Here's what the wig looks like. I let it dry a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put the clips together because I already know I want this on my head. I don't got time for this to be falling off, especially when it's clipped on. We don't have time for that, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's 1 in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip these 2 right here. It's another clip right here, so this clip can just like go in the braid like that. Okay, and these 2 clips need to go up here, but I do need to pull the wig up some because my braids are still showing. You just really have to adjust it the way that you have your hair braided. Look how good this looks like. Now I'm going to get my hair together. Okay, I'm getting water everywhere. I'll be right back. I'm about to just go put, my head in the water because my hair is still kind of dry. So what I'm gonna do is put some Eco on it. And when I always do my natural hair, I never just leave it with no product. Like, it always has to have some product in it because otherwise it'll look a mess. Okay, curls coming through. So I'm gonna mix these 2 together and put gel on both my hair and the wig hair. And brush with it.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't move around in my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road and sell this stuff. And you so in love, you ain't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. introduction. We on a long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I'm feeling like I did too much. I'm feeling like I did too much. Let's get married on. Yeah, I need all y'all. I'm feeling like I did too much. I'm feeling like I did too much. Oh yeah, let's party on. Yeah, I need all y'all. Since you been gone, I've been touched okay. I know you, man, you didn't see my way. Since I've been gone, I've been out of space. I let little shawty come here and take your place.
Okay, y'all, I'm back and I fixed my lighting. It's way better. I just messed with my camera a little bit. My hair is done. It's looking all natural or what. Oh, I'm about to do my makeup. I'm just going out and about with my family. I'm gonna go ahead and fill my brows. I'm just using this Revlon Color Stay Brow Creator. I just fill in my brows just a little bit. Because, you know, my eyebrows are microbladed already, so I don't have to do that much. If you're thinking about getting your eyebrows microbladed or ombre, you know, ombre microbladed, I don't really know the term for it, but I'll give it 10 out of 10. Like, it's been over a year that I've had mine. Mine hasn't completely faded away, and I'm just really like so in love, y'all, for real. The girl that did mine, she actually moved. She doesn't even live here anymore. The time she came back, I did get a touch up, but since then, it's been like, what, 6-7 months? I haven't got one. But I really need her to come back because my eyebrows is something I do not play about. Anything on my face, I do not play about. So just to try to find somebody new is gonna kill me, but I know eventually I'm gonna have to. Especially if she's not coming back anytime soon, and I'm just not ready. But so far they've been good to me, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do my makeup really quick, and I'll be back with you guys when I'm done.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to. Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. Milkshake, milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake, 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 milk, my milkshake, my milk, my milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to. Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. Milkshake, milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake, milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than My milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to. Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. Milkshake, milkshake, my milkshake, my milkshake.
I'm done with my makeup, and it's just giving, like, I think this is the best I've ever done my makeup, like my new technique, everything. This is why I have to give y'all like an updated like tutorial type of like exactly what I do, what I use, because y'all. But I am about to do my lip combo, show you guys the new liner I've been using. It is Life. Let me zoom in. This lip liner is from previous place. Let me see. Yeah, and it is in it's the Luxe liner in Cola. I swear this is the best like brown chocolate color. Look how it just glides on the lip. Y'all, this liner just goes on so good. I just can't even explain. It just goes on so good. It's like real pasty. My lips be real dry. So for this to be going on my dry lips, it's really dishy, okay? So after the lip liner, I've been doing this new thing where I like put concealer on my lips. I tried it the other day. I couldn't find a perfect nude. Like I didn't have a nude lip. So I was like, let me just try concealer, and y'all, it works. So this is from Milani. It's Pure Beige. It's number 140. And I have this little brush. Let me find it. And I just put it on. It looks kind of weird at first, like real pasty, but I'm about to show y'all what I do after. I really need to find like a really good nude, but for now, this is what I do. And then I use my Milani in Prismatic Peach, and I put that on top. Like the perfect pink nude type of look. Or if you want to tone it down just a little bit, I use Lavish by Milani. And add a little bit of that on there, and it kind of tones it down. And then I get that same brush and kind of blend it in with the liner, because it kind of got older liner. That's pretty much it for like if you want that peachy pink nude type of look. I've been kind of going through this small lash phase, and for me to be wearing small lashes right now is very shocking to me. But when I do this wing eye, I like the small lashes, because when I wear my big lashes I can't see. This is my finished look with the wing eye, and I love how I did my makeup today. It's time for me to get ready, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and all of the good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.